Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the SurrealDB integration with the React. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code base. So first of all, we have to install the SurrealDB. So you have to go with this one. So here we have npm install save SurrealDB. You have to install this package. After this, let's dive into the code level. So here we have to import the use effect use state react from the react and the SurrealDB for Surreal. Okay, so here we have the two states, that is DB and the users, right? So first of all, in the effect we are going trying to connect to the DB. Okay, so here we are trying to connect to the DB with the namespace, database, auth and the password, username and the password, right? So here I'm going to create a new user with the user table. Okay, and now I'm going to create get all the users and fetched users, and after that I will going to set that state of that users and just rendering over here users dot length if is 0, no user found, and then I'm mapping with the key and the ID name and the age. Okay, easy, very simple, very easy. Let's take a look, let's save it and let's run it, because the last one we have a lot of data we have. So I'm going to just run this one, I'm going to just open like this. So here you can see that we have a age 28. So the record is added successfully. Here you can see that, and the connection is done successfully. How? Let's take a look. So this is the users table, right? So I'm going to test you with my CLI. Okay, I'm going to select the namespace, this one. Okay, I'm going to use the select users we have, right? I think users we have. Okay, so the users, let's select. Oh no, I think we have a user. Okay, let's take a look. So here you can see that we have a two records, Alice and the Alice, right? That means we have successfully connect to this SurrealDB and fetch the records from that table, right? Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.